So in this video, you'll learn how to change the profile icon on your Nintendo Switch 2. So start by navigating to your profile. And then once you're in your profile, highlight your profile card and then select it. Choose the option Edit Icon. And then from here, you want to select Character. So this will allow you to choose the different characters that are available for you to choose from on your Nintendo. So you have characters from Mario Brothers, all the way down, you'll see characters from Zelda and all sorts of options. So we go ahead and choose the character icon that you'll prefer to use. And then once you find it, you want to just select it, and that will now be your new character icon. You can also go ahead and change the background. So you can choose the different color that's available for you to choose from to change it to the background for your profile character. Then when you're happy, just select OK. And then to save the changes, just click on OK again. From here, wait a few moments as the changes are loaded, and then you can see you've successfully changed your profile icon. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.